Let me show you how to make this beautiful panel skirt. It is very simple to make. Just follow along as I take you through the process of making this beautiful skirt. So the first thing we want to do is to extend these dart legs to the hemline. We need our full front. You are going to see why we need our full front pattern. Extend it to the hemline this way. So let me use the marker. You are going to extend the other one this way. I'm going to slash up to the tip of the dart. This way. I'll do the same to the other side, like this. Then we will be able to close the dart permanently. And as soon as we close the dart, you discover that you have space in between. So what we are doing basically is we are altering our basic skirt pattern to an A-line skirt. So if it is an A-line skirt you want to achieve, this is how to go about it. So the next thing we are going to do is to place another paper under it. Then I will show you what to do next. So I've placed another paper on it. So I will blend the down part. So automatically we have gotten an A-line skirt. So it's time for us to create the panel. You want to divide from waist. Let me cut out the part that we do not need at the waist area. You do not need that. So you want to share this one like this. Just draw the lines as you desire. You could have more than the 3 lines I'm drawing here. This way. Can you see that? So now that you have done that, you come here, you draw it this way, draw it this way. You can label it 1, 2, 3, then 4. So we are going to cut it out now. So we have 4 pieces here. So what you want to do next is to place paper at the side here in order for you to get the panel. So bring in another paper this way, secure with your sellotape or masking tape. So now that we have done that, you want to draw out the panel this way. So you measure what you have in between, and this depends on what you want, how wide you want it to be. I have 1.75 inches here. So that means you will be having 1.5 inches all through to the remaining parts. So I'll cut this side 1.75. Don't forget, you could do up to 5 or more. It depends on you. That's one. Then this one too, you are going to do the same thing to the remaining parts. For this one, you are going to add to this side, add to this side. So I will quickly do that and show you. So I've added all the panels. Like I said, I added 1.75 inches to each of the panel. So when you are doing yours, since you are going to be working with a bigger pattern, I will advise you to do from 5 inches upward. So we have 4 here. So you'll be cutting 1 this way. So you have 4 panel skirts in the front, 4 at the back. So making 8 panel skirts. So I'll join it and show you how the outcome will look like. So after joining all the panels together, you should have something like this. If this tutorial has been helpful, please kindly share so that others can learn. Thank you for watching. Bye.